Woohoo! Woohoo, baby! Another one. First one. First EAS of my day. Yay. For Green Bay, Wisconsin, baby.
The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a special marine warning for Central Bay of Green
That's
Bay.
weird. I never got one of these
from
before.
Washington Island to Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:40 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds 34 knots or greater and small hail 7 nautical miles west of Egg Harbor, moving northeast at 40 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near Eagle Bluff Light around 4 p.m. Detroit Island around 4:25 p.m. The mariners can expect